brand new items. To my right, you're looking at one of our brand new units. Now, what you're looking at here is one of our new refrigerated merchandiser displays. Okay, as you can see here, this is going to have glass on all sides, glass display on all sides. It is an all-white unit. Okay, brand on the unit is our own company brand, Cooler Depot. Now, before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and measure this unit out for you. Starting with the exterior measurements, I'll also measure the inside for you. Okay, starting with length, you're looking at a total of about 21 inches. 21. Overall height, you're looking at a total of 67 inches for the overall height. Now, the unit does have wheels on the bottom. So if you want to go ahead and move it around or need to move it from a spot to another place, you can go ahead and do so. Okay, now from the front to the back of this unit, you're looking at a total of 18 inches. Okay, 18. Okay, so those are going to be your measurements for this refrigerated display. Also, on the side of this unit, we have a plug. Okay, so it's going to be a standard US plug that runs on the 110 volt. Now, let's go back to the front and show you the front of this unit here. On the very top. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and show you the top of this unit. On the top, you can locate your controls. Okay, so you can see here, this is where your temperature, once the unit is on and running, it'll display your temperature. You can also set your temperature. There is a set switch right here where you can set your temperature if you want to go ahead and raise or lower that temperature. You have both your arrows to raise or lower that temperature. Also, we have a light switch. Okay, so there is LED lighting on the inside of this unit, and your switch will be right here. Now we're going to go ahead and open this unit up, show you the inside. As you can see, you have shelves also included for this unit. You have a total of 4 shelves for this display. We're going to go ahead and show you the measurements for the inside. Starting from front to back, you're looking at a total of 16 inches. Okay, left to right, you're going to be looking at a total of about 18.5 inches from left to right. And the overall height for this unit, on the inside, you're looking at about 44.5 inches. Okay, so it's going to be 44.5 inches of the overall height. Also, you can adjust these shelves if you want to go ahead and change the level. Maybe you want to raise the shelf higher or lower, you can adjust. They are going to be adjustable. And then obviously we have our LED lighting, which we can locate on both back ends of this unit. Okay, so that's going to be demonstration for this unit. Now, if you're interested in one of these units, you can go on our website, coolerdepotusa.com. We'll update more information regarding this refrigerated display on the website, including the price for this exact unit. If you have any other questions, you can also give us a call, and we can help you guys out with those questions. Thank you for watching.